Good morning. So today's lesson is the area and the law of sines. At the end of this video, you must be able to find the area of any triangle and use the law of sine. So in finding for the area of a triangle, any triangle ABC with sides A, B, and C has an area which is equal to 1 half BC sine A, 1 half AC sine B, and 1 half AB sine C. So to be able to use this formula, you must have two sides and an included angle. Let us use this formula in solving example number 1. What is the area of triangle ABC to the nearest tenth of a square mile? As mentioned to you earlier, you need two sides which we have there AB as 10 miles and AC 5 miles, as well as the included angle which is 31 degrees, which is what you have here in our figure. So the area is equal to 1 half BC and then sine A. So our B there is 5, our C is 10, and then sine 31 degrees. Let's use your Desmos scientific calculator to solve this one. So we have 1 half where's the 2? 1 divided by 2, and then multiply it by 5 times 10, and then sine 31 degrees. Approximately, round your answer to the nearest tenth, it's 12.9. So that is equal to 12.9. So approximately, the area is about 12.9 square miles. Okay, so try to answer practice exercises number 1.